Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back in our new video. Today we have incredible application you will be wondering about it. This application has a lot of channels as you see, bein sports with lots of kinds of quality HD, 300k and 4k. We have here, for example, kids channels, Netflix channels, Germany, Spain, Italian, some European countries, and we have here, as you see, let's wait in some moments. Look, my friends, this incredible amazing votes we have here series. As you see, this application is working on 100%, my friends. Let's test, for example, bein sports 3. What do you think, my friends? Channels are working. Let's say another one, for example, bein sports 9. The channel is working. Let's see, for example, kids channel. We have 40 Netflix kids. Another channel, family kids 2. Yeah, the channel is working. Let's see, for example, Italian. We have 54 channel. For example, Rai 1. Yeah, as you see, TRMH 24, sorry. As you see, the channel is working. Also, France countries we have 88, France 2 HD. Yes, my friends. Yes, HD. We have 24. Let's test this one. Yes, we have also Majestic. Where is Majestic? Majestic channels. Yeah, it's. Thank you, my friends, for watching our channel. Please subscribe to get every new, and don't forget like. See you again.